So let's learn and enjoy mathematics. Let us determine the 5-number summary, the minimum, the quartile 1, the quartile 2, quartile 3, and then the maximum. Let us construct and interpret the box and whisker plot using the 5-number summary. What could be the definition of the 5-number summary? The 5-number summary is a set of values that describe the distribution of the dataset. It consists of minimum value, that is the smallest value, the lower quartile, the quartile 1, that is the 25 percentile, the quartile 2, that is the median, that is the middle value, the quartile 3, that is the upper quartile, the 75 percentile, and then the maximum, that could be the largest value. To be able to identify the 5 numbers, always remember the minimum. The minimum, that is the smallest value in a dataset. Next, after the minimum, that is the lower quartile or the quartile 1, that is 25%. It means the median of the lower half is 25% of the data at or below this value. After quartile 1, that is quartile 2. Quartile 2, that is the median. It means that is 50%. The middle value of the data set. 50% are at or below this value. After the quartile 2, that is quartile 3 or the upper quartile, that is 75%. Start from the median of the upper half. 24% of the data are at or above this value. And then that is maximum. The maximum is the largest value in the data set. In a 5-number summary, minimum, we have the quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3, and the maximum. How to find the 5-number summary? First, arrange the data in ascending order from smallest to largest. Second, find the median. If n is odd, the median is the value. If n is even, you need to average of the two middle values. Third, find the lower quartile. The lower quartile, it is the median of the lower half. The values at or below the quartile 2. Fourth, find the upper quartile of the quartile 3. It is the median of the upper half, the values at or above quartile 2. And then number 5, let us identify the minimum and maximum. The minimum, that is the smallest value. The maximum, that is the largest value. The symbols for the minimum is MIN. The symbol for lower quartile is Q1. The median is Q2. The upper quartile is Q3. And then the maximum is max. So the 5-number summary, we have the mean, Q1, Q2, Q3, and max. Box and whisker plot or the box plot. The box and whisker plot is a graphical representation of the 5-number summary. It shows the center of the data, the quartile 2 or the median. Second, the spread of the data. Third, the distribution of the values. And last one, the possible outliers, if that is minimum or maximum. How to interpret the 5-number summary? The minimum is 2. The lower quartile is 4.5. The median is 8. The quartile 3 is 11.5. The maximum is 16. So kung ginamit yung box and whisker plot, yung quartile 2, that is 8. The quartile 1 is 4.5. The quartile 3 is 11.5. Is extend. So the minimum is 2. The maximum is 16. So the interpretation is the smallest value, that is equal to 2. 25% of the data falls below 4.5. The quartile 2 is 50%. So 50% of the data falls below 8. Quartile 3 is 75%. So 75% of data falls below 11.5. And then the largest value is 16. It means the middle 50% of data lies between the value of the quartile 1, that is 4.5, and 11.5. From the given 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, the quartile 2, the center, that is positive 10. This is the lower quartile and the upper quartile. The center, that is 4 and 6, so that is quartile 1. The center from the upper quartile, that is 14 and 16. 4 plus 6 is 5, and then 14 plus 16 is 30 divided by 2. The answer is 5. Let us identify the minimum. The minimum, that is the smallest value, that is 2. Quartile 1 is 5, quartile 2, 10, or the median, quartile 3, that is 15, and then the maximum value, that is 18. Using the box and whisker plot, the median, that is 10, and then the quartile 1, that is 5, the quartile 3, that is 15. So you need to extend on the left side, that is the minimum value, extend on the right side, that is the maximum value. If we interpret our answer, the smallest value, that is positive 2, 20% of data falls below 5, 50% of data falls below 10, 75% of data falls below 15, and the largest value, that is 18. So it means the middle 50% of data lies between the quartile 1, 5, and 15. We have the given 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 15, 18, and 20. The quartile 2, that is 12. So the upper quartile is on the right side and the lower quartile is on the left side. So 7 and 8, that could be the quartile 1. And then 15 and 18, that could be the quartile 3. So 7 plus 8 is 15 divided by 2, that is 7.5. 15 plus 18 is 33 divided by 2, that is 16.5. So in the value, that is the minimum value is 5. Quartile 1 is 7.5. Quartile 2, that is 12. Quartile 3, that is 16.5. And then the maximum value, that is 20. Using the box and whisker plot, so the median, that is 12, is on the center, the quartile 1, that is 7.5, the quartile 3, that is 16.5. So ito yung box and whisker plot. The minimum value, we need to extend on the line. So the minimum value is 5, and on the right side, the maximum value is 20. What could be the interpretation? The smallest value, that is 5. 25% of the data below 7.5. The median, that is 12. So it means 50% of the data falls below 12. The quartile 3 is 16.5. So 75% of the data falls below 16.5. And then the largest value, that is 20. So the middle 50% of data lies between 7.5 and 16.5. We have the given 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and 27. So the center, that is quartile 2, that is 15. So the lower quartile is on the left, the upper quartile is on the right side. Quartile 1, that is 6 and 9. And then 21 and 24, that is the quartile 3. 6 plus 9 is 15 divided by 2, that is 7.5. 21 plus 24 is 45 divided by 2, that is 22.5. Let us identify the minimum value. The minimum value is 3. Quartile 1 is 7.5. Quartile 2 is 15. Quartile 3, that is 22.5. And then the maximum value, that is 27. In a box and whisker plot, so within the box, that is quartile 1, that is 7.5. The median, that is on the center, and then the quartile 3. So the minimum value, that is 3, is on the left side. The maximum value is 27 on the right side. What could be our interpretation? So it means our interpretation is the smallest value is 3. 25% of the data falls below 7.5. 50% of the data falls below 15. 75% of the data falls below 22.5, and then the maximum value or the largest value is 27. So the middle 50% of the data lies between 7.5 and 22.5. How about the given 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 24? The center is on 14. So that is quartile 2. That is the median. So upper quartile is on the left side, and then quartile 3 is on the right side. So quartile 1 is between 8 and 10. The quartile 3, that is between 18 and 20. 8 plus 10 is 18 divided by 2, that is 9. And then 18 plus 20 is 38 divided by 2, that is 19. Let us identify the minimum value. So the minimum value is 7. Quartile 1 is 9. Quartile 2 is 14. Quartile 3, that is 19. And then the largest value or the maximum value, that is 24. In a box and whisker plot, our median, the center of the box, that is 14. Quartile 1, quartile 3, and then outside the box, that is the minimum going to the left side 7, and then the maximum going to the right side, that is 24. Let us interpret now. So the smallest value, that is 7. 25% of the data falls below 9. 50% of the data falls below 14. 75% of the data falls below 19, and then the largest value, that is 24. The middle 50% of data lies between 9 and 19. Instruction: determine the 5-number summary and sketch the box and whisker plot. Provide your answers in the comment section.
Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.